Hey kids, I wanted to show you a fun way to use your virtual manipulatives inside the MyMath curriculum. Once you sign in, and if you don't know how to sign into this, the video before this in Clever tells you how to sign into MyMath. Click on any lesson or chapter. So I clicked on place value because that's what we're working on, and just the first lesson. Click on, under Lesson Resources, your first box, which is your virtual manipulatives. Then you will see this come up. What we can do is create a way to work with our hundreds, tens, and ones. You first want to go to Backgrounds, then click Work Mat. Find the work mat that says hundreds, tens, and ones. Let's go up. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Aha, found it. Then you want to click Manipulatives and click on Base 10 Blocks. Now, a fun game or something you can do with your parents is they can tell you a number in the hundreds, like 132. And then you will place your Base 10 blocks in the correct column for that number. So I needed 100, 3 tens, and 2 ones. You can also write the number in your hundreds, tens, and ones chart. That's it. Hope you have lots of fun. Bye for now.